Hello, dear viewers. Hope you are doing well. Today, we are going to see how to make another ledger of salary and bill payment. So, hope you will learn something new in this tele tutorial. Make sure you see the entire video till the end. Thank you. Let's
I will play a slideshow in my PowerPoint. So let's see the steps. These are the steps. So this is the slideshow steps for outstanding salary daily year. First, we have to create a ledger named salary under direct expenses. Then we have to create another ledger named outstanding salary. Then we have to select accounting vouchers in the software Tele ERP 9. Then we select journal mode, and then we select salary ledger under debit account. We select enter amount, and we then select outstanding ledger by clicking on the space bar on the keyboard, and we save it. So these are the simple steps for creating outstanding salary ledger. So let's see in the practical way. In the This is my tele software, and I have to create a ledger named outstanding named salary. First, I have to create a ledger named salary under indirect expenses. Indirect expenses. Thereafter, I have to create another ledger named outstanding salary. Outstanding salary under current liabilities. Current liabilities. And then I create by clicking on enter key repeatedly. I create these two ledgers. And then I will go to make transactions under accounting vouchers. Then I select from here journal mode. Again, if you see, then I go to accounting vouchers, I select not received F7 journal mode. So here under DR account, I will select salary ledger. Is it here? Yes, my salary ledger is here. So I click on the salary ledger and press enter. So it has came up here, and I select some rupees like 2000, and I make it CR. Salary ledger, I make it, and then I select outstanding salary, and I save it. See my salary amount and my outstanding salary amount is same, and I click enter and I accept. So it has been created in my balance sheet. I go and see my balance sheet. I press LT plus F1, and here it came up current liabilities. If I click here, then I can see my outstanding salaries is 2000. I can click it from here, and I can double click, and I can do my payment from here only. Okay. So what I have done, I will show you again. I have entered my balance sheet, and I have clicked ALT plus F1, and then here came my salary, outstanding salary, and here came my salary, outstanding. If I have clicked here, outstanding salary April, here my salary. Again, I double click and open this, and I will now pay my salary by going into payment. Here the payment, I make this receipt. It is one number salary. Suppose I want to pay 1500 now, then outstanding will be 500. Check. I will pay 1500 only. Here is from the outstanding salary 1500. So you can see now that I have paid 1500 of my salary, I can go and select my balance sheet ALT and F4. I have selected. Outstanding is 0. Outstanding is 0. Okay. Now if I go and see salary balance sheet, see I don't have any salary now because I have paid all my salaries. If I go and see my salary, then I have paid 500 rupees now. So I don't have any outstanding salary left. So this is all about creating salary ledger and also creating another ledger name outstanding salary and then paying a part of the salary and paying the outstanding amount after some time in the future. So this is all about the steps and the presentation of the steps. Thank you.